In this lesson, we are going to learn how to sing along to the first verse and the chorus. We will also learn how to play along to the verse and the chorus on our instrument and perform the first part of the song. So let's get ready to sing along to the first verse and chorus together.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, it's Mr. Courtney here, one of the brass teachers from the music service. I'm here today to talk you through warming up your instrument properly so that we're ready to start learning our new piece, Let's Dance. The first thing we need to do is make sure we're standing or sitting properly. Make sure we're not slouching our shoulders too far forwards or backwards, and make sure that we're holding our instrument correctly in front of us. If we're standing, make sure both of your feet are firmly on the ground. If we're sitting, make sure not to sit back in your chair. Instead, move forward on your seat. To begin, I would like you to clap back the rhythms we'll be using from the first section. Then we're going to buzz that rhythm on the mouthpiece to warm up our lips. Hold the mouthpiece between your finger and thumb and take a nice deep and relaxed breath. As the first two rhythms begin on the second beat, I shall count out 1, 2, 3, 4, play, and then you come in. Remember, clap it back to me first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, buzz. 1, 2, 3, 4, buzz. Here's the second rhythm. Remember, clap first. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap. 2, 3, 4, clap. 2, 3, 4, buzz. 2, 3, 4, buzz. Here's the third rhythm. As this rhythm starts on the first beat of the bar, I will simply count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the final rhythm. Again, we're starting on the first beat of the bar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We're now going to practice these rhythms on our instruments. Take a moment to put your instrument together properly. When you're ready, we're going to copy the first rhythm back on a D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. 1, 2, The second rhythm we will play on an E. It's your first and second valve. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. 2, 3, 4, play. The next rhythm we will play on an F sharp. That's your second valve. Remember, this starts on beat 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The final rhythm we will play on G. Remember that you play this with no vowels, but with faster air and firmer lips. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Well done. We're now ready to start.
Here's a quick reminder of the notes you will need. Take a moment to have a look and pause the video if you need to. Now we're going to learn how to play the verse and the chorus. You will notice that the rhythms you play are exactly the same as the rhythms you have just sung, so try to think of the words as you're playing it to help you learn. This section starts on the second beat of the bar, so rather than your usual count-in of 1, 2, 3, 4, your count-in is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, play, with play being the first beat of the next bar. You come in after this. Listen and watch on the first time through, then you can have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. Now you can have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. Now we're going to put together everything we've done so far. First of all, we're going to sing the first verse and chorus, then we're going to play the first verse and chorus, and then stop. Remember that you can pause and rewind the video at any point to help you practice.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the monkey take a two. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece so far at home.